Hey, also, I wanted to show you all the RSI decrease percent change scan. I showed you all the large increase, but I want to quickly show you the decrease. So to do that, go ahead and go to your scans, whether that's from this area here, or if you scroll down to your scans, you'll see it here as well. Like always, we want the type to be stock. I'm going to add some parameters to make things cleaner. So country is US. And there's a way to set this as a default if you want to, but I just prefer to just type it in because I don't use it all the time. Country is US, and we want the close to be greater than 1 and the close to be less than 400. Okay, for this percent change scan, we're gonna find it in the indicator, and we're gonna change the value to RSI, right? And similar to price increase, we're gonna use less, or price decrease, we're gonna use less than. When we're doing increase, it's greater than. And then we're gonna look at -15 for a large percent decrease. Just gonna make sure we have all of our parentheses so we don't get any of these error marks. And last time I did like a chart list to make the numbers a little bit more manageable. So I'll do a chart, and that's basically when you put favorites list, which is your chart list. So my favorites list, and you'll go off of the numbers on the right hand side, not the left hand side. So we'll look at tech again. So 62. All right, so 62, and we'll run the scan. And you'll see 30 results. So if we just filter it out, we'll see that Boxlight Corporation is one example. So we'll see that there's been a decrease of 15% over the last 10 days, right? So let's look at one more example. We'll look at Box Inc. And we see the same thing. Over the last 10 days, it's been a drop by 15% on the RSI value. Right, so if you couple this with other indicators or other criteria for your scans, you'll begin to build a stronger strategy that should help you in the long run find the stocks that you're looking for, whether for trading or investing. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know what you all think, and take care.